This is a law enforcement warning. City of Sloane Police have issued a law enforcement warning. A series of arson on homes, both abandoned and occupied, have been reported in the Highton Estates area in Sloane's Central South within the last 48 hours. Police and fire crews are attempting to stop these fires from spreading. However, a suspect or motive is not available at this time. These fires are random. If a fire begins near you, call 911 immediately and evacuate. If you see a suspect, please inform the police with any details.